Does the law of attraction create negative things for you just as well as positive things? That's what you're going to find out in this video. That's what I'm going to be explaining. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell icon, just so you get notified whenever I post. And make sure you comment, I've subscribed, so that I can personally reply to you. Let's get into the video. Today, I went down to the beach, as I usually do, go for a walking meditation. And for some reason, I was in a very present state, and I usually meditate in my car for 5 minutes. Then I will get out and I'll walk down the beachfront. For some strange reason, I don't know what it was, I had a thought or feeling that I feel like my car, like something's going to happen to my car today. I was like, I'm going to pull my mirrors in just in case they get pulled off, or just in case they get knocked off, because I just park on the side of a road. I try and pull up as far as I can on the curb. In a video I was recording, I literally got a call. Hello? Yes? Have I? Explaining that my car had a massive scratch from front to back. And I was like, how frustrating. How frustrating. But then I remembered when I was sitting there, I was meditating, and I was thinking, I was like, for some reason, I feel like my car wing mirror is going to come off. I'm going to pull them in. And I always pull them in whenever I park anywhere. And you look down the side of my car, and there is a scratch all the way down my car. And I'm going to show you here, like you can literally see this scratch, how long it is. And what that goes to show is, does the law of attraction really work in favor and out of favor of you? It doesn't matter what you think about and what you feel, because that's what's going to happen. So because I was in a present state and I thought about something, it happened. It created that future. It doesn't matter whether it's negative or positive. The universe doesn't care whether it's negative or positive, because what you think about, what you vibrate at, is what you create and what you become. Now, obviously I didn't intentionally want this to happen. I didn't think, oh my God, I want that. But I sort of created it and then just sort of let it go. This is where I had a conversation with someone saying how if everything we thought about manifested happened, life would be pretty bad. Because of course we've had thoughts like that. Obviously I wasn't intentionally trying to create negative things that happened to my car, but it did happen. Now you could say it's just a coincidence, but again, it's something that I thought about just before it happened, and you'd have to be pretty close to my car to scratch it like that. And it's like a key mark all the way down the side of it. Very interesting thing that happened. And I was very shocked and surprised and kind of like, that's annoying. But is it my fault? I don't know. Maybe it is. I'll never know that. But what I know is that I did think of that this morning and something negative happened. So yes, it's weird. Yes, it's crazy. But things like that happen in life. And I just wanted to make this video just to really explain that, because it was kind of weird how it did happen. And I'm kind of shocked as well. And I made some videos today speaking about the placebo effect and really creating stuff, and even the law of attraction in the past. We can create anything in life. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter if it's positive, doesn't matter if it's negative, but what matters is that you're in a present state and that you begin to create and you begin to ask and you begin to manifest, and then you just let it go. And that's exactly how my car got scratched, and now it's got a big scratch down the side of it. But what can you do? Is that things happen in life, negative things happen in life, and all we can do is allow ourselves to move on from them. But yeah, I just wanted to explain that quick little story because it made me laugh, kind of annoyed me, but what can you do? Life's not all positive. With that being said, have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, keep spreading kindness, and so much positivity. Yeah.